Hello, today I'll explain how to use loyalty points in Vatrix POS system. So for that, first go to admin, click on settings. Now click on setup loyalty. Now enable the loyalty points feature here. Also, you can mention the points per AED or your preferred currency here. So for example, I'll set up one and point to redeem also. Now you have to mention if it is 0.1, it will show here 100 points will show like how many dirhams is this. Okay. Now you can also mention the minimum points a customer can redeem. Also the how many months the points will remain valid. So once these details are entered, click on save so that the basic loyalty point settings will be saved here. Now this act as the default settings for all items. So if this item is having custom points, then you can mention it for particular item what is the point to be calculated when making invoice. So for example, I'll set it as 10 points for one item. So the system will automatically calculate 10 loyalty points instead of 180. Also there is one more option, fixed option. This is for if 2 or 3 items are coming same in one invoice, it will calculate only one item loyalty points. Okay. Now you can set up accordingly as per your wish, and you also fixed point should be mentioned here. Okay. Now next is you can enable or disable option for a particular item so that you can just set up the point here. And now save it. Now item level setting is completed. Now you can go and make an invoice. Okay. So here I'll make a invoice. For example, I make a 1080 invoice. Click on cash, enter the customer name and mobile number and save the invoice. Okay. Now 1080 invoice is completed. Now after saving, you can check the customer loyalty balance under sales loyalty voucher. Now enter the customer mobile number or customer code and click on search so that the customer details will appear including total points, available balance and expiry date according to a setting. Now if you want to give extra point to any particular customer for any additional offer, you can mention the points here. Okay. And also you can add remarks and click on add button here. This will create additional loyalty points to the customer's account. Similarly, if a customer wants to redeem the points, okay, you can add the point here and click on redeem option here. That it will redeem the this amount. Okay. Also, you can mention the terms and conditions here. And now click on print, that it will be printed. Okay. Now save this document. Okay, so it's saved now. Similarly, you can generate the report here. Okay, so it will show the total earned points in which customer redeemed 5 points. The remaining balance is 5. Now staff can also view the statement anytime so that you can export it to Excel and further you can analyze the customer activity. For instance, now we have made one invoice and redeem voucher also printed. Now customer can redeem in another invoice also. So now I'll make another invoice if that they are going to purchase some other product, let's say 50 dirhams. So what we have now in hand is 5 dirham voucher. So this is we have to print and give it to customer. Now for that you can go to gift discount here, put the discount amount here 5 and put the remarks that is loyalty redemption voucher number. Okay, now you can save it so that it will record. Now the voucher that we have printed will be here. So you can check the voucher number here and the same number you can mention in the remarks section. Also the loyalty points the customer has redeemed will also be displayed here. Okay. Also while redeeming the voucher, make sure to enter the correct discounted rate as per the voucher. Okay. After entering the details, you can click on OK and make invoice. Okay, to redeem the voucher successfully. So this is how the customer can redeem the loyalty voucher in the POS system. Thank you.